If you are thinking about opening a Relay account or you already use Relay and want to understand the real cost, this video will answer one simple but important question: does Relay charge a fee? I decided to break this down clearly because when it comes to business banking, hidden charges can quietly eat into your cash flow. So let us look at what Relay actually charges, what is free, and where you might still spend money depending on how you use the platform. First, the short answer. Relay does not charge a monthly account maintenance fee. There is no subscription cost to open or keep a standard Relay business account. This is one of the main reasons many small businesses, startups, and online entrepreneurs choose Relay over traditional banks. Now let us go deeper, because no monthly fee does not always mean completely free in every situation. Relay offers a free business checking account designed mainly for small businesses and growing teams. With this account, you get multiple checking accounts, the ability to create virtual cards, and tools for managing expenses without paying a monthly fee. There is also no minimum balance requirement, which means you do not have to keep a specific amount of money in your account just to avoid penalties. Where Relay really stands out is in how it handles basic banking activities. Incoming ACH transfers are free. Outgoing ACH payments are also free. This includes paying vendors, contractors, or moving money between your own accounts. For many businesses, ACH transfers are the most common type of transaction, so this alone can save a lot of money over time. Debit cards are also free. Relay allows you to issue physical debit cards for team members and create virtual cards for online payments. There is no fee to create these cards, and there is no monthly card fee. This is particularly useful if you manage expenses across multiple employees or contractors. So at this point, you might be wondering, where does Relay make money, and are there any fees at all? Yes, there are a few situations where fees can apply, and it is important to understand them before opening an account. The first area is cash deposits. Relay does not support direct cash deposits like traditional banks with physical branches. If your business handles a lot of cash, Relay may not be the best primary bank for you. Some users work around this by depositing cash into another bank and then transferring it to Relay, but that extra step can come with fees from the other bank, not Relay itself. Another area to be aware of is wire transfers. Domestic wire transfers usually come with a fee, and international wire transfers can be more expensive. The exact cost can vary, so it is always a good idea to check Relay's latest pricing details before sending a wire. If your business relies heavily on wires instead of ACH, this is something you should factor into your decision. There may also be fees related to third-party services that integrate with Relay. Relay connects with accounting tools, payroll platforms, and payment processors. Relay itself does not usually charge for these integrations, but the third-party service might. This is not a Relay fee, but it can still affect your overall cost of using the account. One important thing to mention is overdraft fees. Relay is designed to help businesses avoid overdrafts by using real-time balances and spending controls. In most cases, transactions that would cause an overdraft are declined. This means you are less likely to face surprise overdraft fees, which are very common with traditional banks. Now let us compare Relay's fee structure with traditional business banks. Many traditional banks charge a monthly maintenance fee, often between $10 and $30, unless you maintain a minimum balance. They may also charge for ACH transfers, extra debit cards, or even basic account features. When you add these up, the cost of banking can become significant over a year. Relay removes most of these common fees, making it especially attractive for small businesses, online businesses, freelancers, and startups that want predictable costs and simple pricing. So who should consider Relay from a cost perspective? If your business is mostly digital, uses ACH payments, pays vendors online, and does not rely heavily on cash deposits, Relay is a very cost-effective option. If you are a startup trying to keep overhead low, the lack of monthly fees can make a real difference. On the other hand, if your business deals with cash daily or frequently sends wire transfers, you may want to compare Relay with other business banks to see which one fits your needs better. To sum it all up clearly, Relay does not charge a monthly fee, there is no minimum balance requirement, ACH transfers are free, and debit cards are free. Fees may apply for wire transfers and certain external services, but for most small businesses, Relay remains a low-cost or near-free business banking solution. If you are currently comparing business bank accounts and pricing is a major factor, Relay is definitely worth considering. Always review the latest fee schedule on Relay's official website before opening an account, but overall, Relay keeps fees simple, transparent, and business-friendly. If this breakdown helped you understand Relay's fees and pricing, consider subscribing for more honest business banking reviews and comparisons.